In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show archived projects in Asana. Sometimes a project gets archived a little too early, or you need to reopen something to review tasks, pull reports, or keep work moving. Asana makes it fairly simple to bring those archived projects back, but the option isn't always obvious at first glance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening Asana and going to your regular project view. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of your teams and projects. Look for the project area where you normally work. Beside the project name, you'll notice a small arrow icon. This arrow lets you expand additional options related to that project area. Click on that arrow. When you do, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with different navigation choices. From this menu, look for the option that says Browse Projects. This is the section where Asana lets you view a broader list of projects, including ones that aren't immediately visible in your main sidebar. Go ahead and click Browse Projects. You'll now be taken to a page that lists projects in a more organized way, usually with filters or columns at the top. Here, you want to focus on the filtering option so you can specifically surface archived projects. Find the filter labeled Status. It's typically at the top of the page, near other filters such as Owner or Team. Click on Status. A small menu will appear with different status choices such as Active, Archived, and possibly others depending on your Asana setup. From this list, select Archived. Once you choose that, Asana will refresh the view to show only projects that have been archived. This is where you can find the project you want to bring back. Scroll through the list and locate the specific archived project you want to show or restore. When you see it, click directly on the project name to open it. You will be taken into that project's main view, just like any other project, but it will be in archived mode. In the upper right corner of the project screen, look for the option that says Restore. This button is what you'll use to unarchive the project. Click Restore, and Asana will convert the project back to an active project. After this, it will show up again in your regular project lists and be fully available for editing, assigning tasks, and tracking progress.